Nutrient powerhouses, almonds. You can eat almonds whole, in pieces, in slices, or processed into almond butter or flour. Almond milk is another popular recipe made from almonds. This satisfyingly tasty nut deserves to be considered a superfood. Let's explore some science-backed benefits of consuming almonds regularly. 1. Can help reduce cholesterol. A study found that eating almonds increases the amount of vitamin E in your red blood cells and lowers your risk of developing high cholesterol. Increased blood levels of vitamin E produce antioxidants that stop your cells from clogging up with growing cholesterol. Thus, eating a few almonds each day can increase the amount of vitamin E in your blood and reduce your risk of getting cholesterol. 2. May aid weight loss. Almonds include larger amounts of protein and fiber and fewer carbohydrates than other foods, which helps you feel fuller for shorter periods of time. This aids in lowering the daily calorie intake as well. Almonds' ability to reduce hunger means that you can manage how much food you eat, which aids in maintaining a healthy weight. 3. Good for the heart. Eating almonds and other nuts together is excellent for your heart. Almond consumption is thought to balance and control blood sugar levels. This is because almonds contain magnesium, and it is recommended that you eat a handful of almonds every day. Almond consumption results in higher levels of antioxidants in the blood, which lowers blood pressure and improves blood flow to different parts of the body. 4. Protects the eyes. While almonds have a high source of vitamin E, which protects your eyes and stops unnatural changes to your lens, carrots are reputed to be very excellent for your eyes. Almond consumption will therefore preserve your eyes, but avoid overindulging as this might result in weight gain. Always remember to eat almonds in moderation. 5. Improves skin health. You may have read that almonds make up a significant portion of the ingredients in the majority of skin care products because this nut has so many advantages for your skin. A flavonoid that is also present in broccoli and green tea can be detected in almonds. This ingredient gives your skin nourishment and has anti-aging benefits. 6. May prevent gray hair. Almond oil is incredibly useful for treating many types of hair issues, from hair loss to avoid gray hair. You name it, almond oil can help. Dandruff and other hair issues can be treated with almond oil as well. The best thing about applying almond oil to your hair is how silky and shiny it makes it feel. 7. Good for the brain. Almonds become potassium-rich when they are combined with milk. This is one of the primary minerals that increases your body's electrolyte levels, giving your body greater energy. Almond milk consumption might strengthen your memory flow when there is an increase in electrolytes. Simply put, drinking almond milk improves your memory.